Hello everyone, today I will show you how to ask Gemini to list all steps in a tutorial video. And here's how it's done. If you want Google Gemini to list all the steps from a tutorial video, the key is to give it 1. The video link, YouTube, or upload transcript if possible. 2. A direct step focus prompt so it knows you want sequential, numbered action, not a summary. Method 1. With YouTube link. If Gemini can process YouTube videos in your account version, watch this tutorial and list every step in order as clear, numbered instructions. Paste the video link. Example, from this YouTube video, write all the steps in order to complete the process shown with no extra commentary. The YouTube link. Method 2. Using transcript. If Gemini can't watch the video directly, open the YouTube video. Click More, Show Transcript. Copy the transcript. Paste into Gemini with from this transcript, extract all steps in the tutorial as a clear, ordered list. And that is everything you need to know about how to ask Gemini to list all steps in the tutorial video. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.